Now it's my turn. We know what to do. What are we doing again? It's gonna be a present.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it.
Okay, Abigail.
Which one do I want?
I don't know which one you want. We got some squash and pepper plants that need to get transplanted. So, we hope you enjoy the video. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.
Why did you say that? I just yawned, by the way, guys. I just yawned. Why did you say that?
Okay, here's why I said it, Seth. Because then I can get it all out of the way, but I may say it again.
By the way, we're gonna transplant some plants, and they're squash and peppers, and we have this stuff to help us plant seeds for life, and some of those plants aren't going to be planted until the danger of frost has gone, and then we can plant them out in the garden. That's my 2 cents for the day. God bless. See you next time.
Okay.
We're transplanting some potatoes outside. They want to grow big and strong. That's what they want to do. And we can plant some field the plants until frost has gone by. Danger of frost has gone by. Until dangerous frost has come by. God bless. See you next time. My turn. Well, we're actually, transplant means that we put the plants in a different area. Right, Dad?
Yeah, we're going to take them out of this area
and put them into there.
And put them into these. And then we're going to put these in that tray so that we can water from the bottom. We're not going to water into the dirt. We're going to water into the bottom of the tray.
It'll soak into here.
Yeah, it'll soak in. The roots will get
the nutrients.
We'll get the water, yes.
The nutrients. It's called nutrients for plants.
So,
now,
are you done now?
I have a few more things.
Oh, okay.
Now we're going to put the pots. After we put those into there, we'll put them in here. We're going to water from the bottom, not into the dirt. And by the way, when we pour the water, it'll soak into these, and the roots will get the nutrients.
Okay.
God bless. See you next time. Now it's my turn. We know what to do. What are we doing again? What are we doing? We're doing the transplant from here to there, and we put these in there, and we put the water at the bottom, and the dirt will and it will soak into the dirt, and the plant and the roots will get the nutrients. God bless. See you next time. She didn't say we're gonna put them into here. We're going to put him in there.
Okay.
And
So.
now it's my turn.
Oh, now it's your turn. Okay.
And never mind. You can have a turn again.
Oh, I can have a turn again.
But you have to be in front of the camera.
But I have to be in front of the camera. Okay.
Squirt all of them. Don't squirt all of them. He wants to squirt all of the plants.
Well, he's gonna squirt all of the ones I told him to squirt.
All of his? Not all mine?
All his.
Not all mine?
Not all yours. You just squeeze. I'll hold the bottle up so that it points in the right direction.
It won't work like that.